Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your HP printer to your PC using Wi-Fi, quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, power on your printer. Once the printer is turned on, go to your PC. On your computer, open your web browser and type 123.hp.com in the address bar. When the website opens, go to Set up your HP printer. Enter your printer's name or model number to find the correct HP Smart software and drivers for your device. Once it appears, select it and click Next. On the next screen, choose Continue with Computer. A drop-down menu will appear. Just click Install HP Smart to proceed. This will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. If your browser has redirect protection turned on, you might see a small pop-up asking for confirmation. Just click OK to allow it. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, click Download or Install to get the HP Smart app. Wait until the download and installation are complete. This can take a few minutes depending on your connection speed. After it's installed, open the HP Smart app. You can use it as a guest, or you can sign in or create an HP account. For the best experience, I recommend signing in with your HP account. Or, if you don't already have an HP account, you can create a new one. After you've logged in or created a new account, the app may sometimes ask for permission to access your location. Just click Yes to allow or No to deny. Once you've completed this step, you'll see the HP Smart app home screen. Click Add Printer, and the app will search for available printers nearby. When your printer appears on the list, select it. Next, the app will ask you to connect the printer to Wi-Fi. Click Continue, and the printer will automatically start configuring itself and connect to the same network as your PC. Typically, you don't need to enter your Wi-Fi password on the printer, as it will automatically use the network details from your PC. During this step, the info button on your printer will start blinking. Press it to confirm the connection and complete the configuration. This process of recognizing and connecting to the network may take a few minutes. After a few moments, your printer will be successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network, then just click Next to continue. Next, the app will begin installing the printer driver. Just click Continue and wait a few minutes while the driver downloads and installs. The app will automatically find the correct driver and complete the installation, so you don't need to do anything. Once this process is complete, your printer is connected and ready to use. You can now print, copy, or scan directly from your PC wirelessly. To scan, place the document you want to scan on the scanner glass. In the HP Smart app, select Scan, then click Scan again in the lower left corner. After a few seconds, your scanned document will appear on the screen. To print, simply open the file or photo you want to print. Press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to open the print window. In the top left corner, select your printer from the list, and then click Print. And that's it! Your HP printer is now fully connected to your PC via Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.